Looking to streamline back-end tasks and manage your Magento admin team effortlessly? Today, we're taking a deep dive into how to assign unique permissions to each admin. So, stay with us as we unlock smoother operations for your Magento 2 store. So, what exactly are user roles? In simple terms, user roles are specific sets of permissions that you assign to individual users. These roles regulate access within the Magento 2 admin panel. Now, why are user roles so critical? Here are a few reasons. Firstly, they boost your store's security as user roles limit access to sensitive zones in your system. Secondly, user roles streamline your operations. Each team member knows what they're managing, so there's no room for overlap or confusion. But that's not all. User roles bring more control, flexibility, and accountability to your store management. Plus, they make tracking any user changes in the backend easy. Let's run through the process of creating user roles in Magento 2. Step 1. Navigate to the system, then permissions, and select user roles. Step 2. To create a new role, click on the Add New Role button. In the next step, you must fill in the details for the role information section. Set up the role name and confirm your password. Step 4. Now, it's time to select the resources your new user should be able to access. Go to the Role Resources tab and start selecting. It's your call to either grant access to all functionalities or give access to specific pages. Make your choice by selecting either All or Custom in the Resource Access field. Lastly, remember to click Save Role, and voila, your new Magento user role is ready to roll. Alright, that's our time for today. If this video was helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and share it with your fellow Magento users. Subscribe and stay tuned for more Magento tips and tricks.